Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Discord is not opening on your Windows. So let's go quick into it. First is we need to completely close or end Discord process in the task manager. So in the Windows search bar right here, type task manager, click on that. Then here we need to maximize this. Then we need to simply I'll look for Discord right here in the list of processes. Now simply scroll down. So we need to look for Discord right here. Once you find that, make a right click and then select End Task. And once done, just simply launch the Discord application. So here you can just simply sign in with your email or phone number and then your password. So I will not just sign in my credentials. I'm just going to show you on how you can open the application. But in your case, you need to sign in from here to enjoy the Discord application. The next method is we also need to make sure that we can try the running application as an administrator or running the app as an administrator. Make a right click at the Discord desktop icon and then select Run as Administrator. Now, most of the time, this will bring up and open the application, so try on that too. Then we also need to make sure that we have disabled the antivirus temporarily because the antivirus can also block the applications from launching. So if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares, click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar and here you'll find Malwarebytes, McAfee, or Avast. Make a right click and then select quit Malwarebytes. Then click on the Windows security icon. Then click on virus and threat protection. You'll find virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings and turn off the real-time protection. And then you have to launch the application. And after that, go back to the Windows security and then you need to enable that again. Then we also need to make sure that our Windows is updated. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and then click this button right here. So this will not only check for updates, but this will also install the latest updates for your Windows. Then we also need to make sure that we are going to update the graphics card driver as outdated graphics card driver can cause the issue. So right click at the start button and then select Device Manager. Then here you can find the display adapters. Make a right click and then select update drivers. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then we can also reset the network settings. So in the command prompt, let's bring up the command prompt, type CMD in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator. Then here, just follow me for the commands. NATSH space winsock space reset, hit enter. The next command is NATSH space INT space IP space reset, hit enter. Next command, ipconfig space // release, hit enter. Next command, ip config space / renew, hit enter. And for the final command, ip config space / flush DNS, hit enter. Then type exit, hit enter. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. After that, launch the Roblox application. I mean the Discord application. I'm very sorry for that. Okay, so if the issue keeps persisting, then we can reinstall the application. So we have to click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, we have to click on the apps, installed apps. Then search for Discord. Click on this three dots, select uninstall, and then uninstall once again. Then we need to reinstall it, so simply bring up and open any of your favorite browsers. I'm going to open the Edge browser. Then simply type here Discord download, hit enter. Then click on the first option from the official website discord.com, click on it. Then simply click on this option right here, download for Windows. So let's just wait for this to load first. So click on download for Windows, and the installer file will be downloaded right here. So let's just wait for this. Now once this is done, just simply double click or click on it and then close the Edge browser. Then let's wait for this to reinstall Discord into our Windows. So as you can see, this is installing the application. And now this is checking for updates. So let's just wait for this to open. So now this is starting the application. So here you can just simply sign in with your credentials, okay? So if any of these solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.